Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have this 8-foot white GMC pickup bed. Overall pretty reasonable condition for the year, I think. I've washed it off outside, inside, and underneath. This video is going to be to show you around the bottom edges and underneath. You can see the trim, the little threads there. Just a little mud. All right, folks, if you're buying for something in the Midwest or one of the Rust Belt states, definitely a good usable bed. It does have some dings here and there. I can kind of see one here. You can see a little bit here. Thanks for looking.